Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming accounts and permissions. This avoids mismatches later. Sign into the same Google account on Google Wallet and the Flipkart app, and make sure Wallet has an active payment method, UPI or card, so transfers work. Once done, open Flipkart, tap Supercoins, and choose the reward that permits Google Wallet redemption. Do this now. It shortens the path to transfer and prevents failed redemptions caused by account or payment method differences. Next, choose a Supercoins reward that explicitly supports external wallets or UPI payouts, because not all redemptions allow transfer. Select the option to pay or withdraw. When prompted, pick Google Wallet if shown, or copy the UPI ID/QR and open Wallet to pay yourself or add as a payee. Then confirm the amount, accept any consent dialogues, and authenticate with your PIN or biometric. This sequence moves the value into Wallet securely and explains why each confirmation step prevents errors. Finally, verify the wallet balance and note the transaction ID. That proves completion. If you don't see funds, make sure the Google account, UPVPA, and Flipkart app version match what you used. Mismatched accounts cause invisible transfers. If it still fails, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then contact Flipkart support with the transaction ID and screenshots. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache and retry the redemption only after confirming the pending state, because duplicate claims can.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.